Take a gentle breath in, and now a slow breath out. Let's begin in this quiet moment, right here. We often carry burdens from the past, wounds and sorrows that feel heavy in our hearts. It is okay to notice they are there. Pain can be acknowledged without it controlling your present. See it not as a wall, but as a shadow that proves there is light. This pain has a story to tell, a lesson it has taught you. Respecting your pain means learning from it, not staying ruled by it. Like water flowing over stones, the experience has shaped you, smoothed your edges, and revealed your strength. But the water keeps moving. Your memory of the past is valid, but it does not need to hold authority over your forever. It is a chapter, not the entire book. You have the power to turn the page, to decide that today's story will be different. Feel the air on your skin, hear the quiet sounds of the world around you. This is the present moment. It is real, and it is yours. Let your present life breathe beyond the confines of old pain. Give yourself permission to feel peace, to feel joy, to simply be. Each breath is a new beginning, an opportunity to release what no longer serves you and to welcome the calm that is waiting. You are not defined by your scars, but by the courage it took to heal. You are whole, right now, in this moment. Breathe in peace. Breathe out the past.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.